I'm Joe Coleman with those Callaways, and we're here with another wonderful open house that we're going to share with you. It's actually open Saturday and Sunday, 1 to 4, and it's 18221 North 53rd, a wonderful Triple Crown home. And I'm going to let Brian, one of our lead sales agents, tell you a little bit more about the house.
Thanks, Joe. Yeah, I just wanted to get in here and let you know about this really cool house. So in Arizona, we're known for single story and 2 stories, right? This house, we've got a basement. It's an enormous basement. The upstairs is set up, fully functional house, fully self-contained. You've got everything you need, the kitchen, the split floor plan, a couple of bedrooms up there. Then you go downstairs and you have this huge bonus room. You've got room for a desk, you've got 2 bedrooms, a full bath. It's really a great setup.
Yeah, absolutely. And basements in Arizona are known to stay cool as well. And it's a great house. Absolutely stop on by. Like I said, open Sunday and Saturday, 1 to 4, both days. We'll have a couple of agents there to tour you through the property and make sure you get to see all that it has to offer.
All right, hope to see you there.
Thank you.